Hi guys, this is Ayushi Keshri, and a lot of people don't know me. I have started content creation almost a year back in January when I came back from Canada. And today I am starting my long form videos. I make reels and I have created a lot of content until now, but this channel is all going to be about psychology, my journey as a psychologist. Follow me and my work. So you can follow Saivatra. So it's basically an organization that I am building right now with very few people, and we are trying to flourish it soon. So I will talk about my journey. So I'm a psychologist and I studied in MIT University in Noida, and I did bachelor's plus master's integrated course from MIT University Noida. And personally telling, my experience with MIT was amazing. I know a lot of people say a lot of things about Amity, but personally telling you, Amity has actually, helped me to grow in life, because Amity does that to you. It makes your personality come out, makes you understand that you are something. So my journey with Amity University was great. I swear I wanted to be in Delhi University because I'm from Delhi. But I am lucky that I did not get in there, because after 3 years of bachelor's, I heard from a lot of students that they did not learn so much being in Delhi University, but I learned so much in Amity University because our internships were very important. Our attendance was very important. So from first year onwards, we used to do almost two internships in a year for almost like 1 to 2 months in summer break and winter break. So that is what something Amity did for me. It helped me to gain some practical knowledge outside, college, because college guarantees you, every college says that you will get exposure, really great exposure, and you get practical learning. But somehow every college fails there. But I'm glad that Amity made this compulsory to do internships, and through internships I made a lot of change in my personality, and I got to know what are my work ethics, what things I like, what should be my expertise. But Amity, I really thank Amity, and it's like, once an Amitian, always an Amitian. So this would be my story, and I started my journey back in 2017 as a student in psychology. Why I chose psychology? Because I studied psychology in 11th and 12th, and something intrigued me about psychology. This was the subject I wanted to leave, and I did not want to study because I could not even understand one sentence of psychology. But I've always been the person who is very resilient. If you tell me, you cannot do something, I will definitely go and do it, because that's what my resilience is about. And somebody told me, you won't pass in psychology, and all of a sudden something intrigued me, and I started studying psychology so much. And I'm very thankful to some of my friends who really helped me through this journey of learning psychology. I did not even know the word, what psychology is, what who are psychologists. But I'm glad, I chose a journey where I am a psychologist today, and I learned so much about human behavior until now. I've worked with a lot of people. So in 11th and 12th, I was also going through some mental health issues. I was very sad that time. I did not know, what things I really like. What things I really like in my life and what things I don't. So from there I got so much of knowledge about human behavior that I kind of started applying those in my personal life, in my day-to-day life, and I understood, how people behave. So it really helps you to shape you as a human. But again, being said, if you're a psychologist, does not mean that you do not need a psychologist. You definitely need psychologist to heal, to understand yourself, to help you with all of the mental health issues, trauma that you really have in your life. So do not say this to any psychologist that, okay, you're a psychologist, why do you need therapy? Because every human deserves therapy. So this was my journey, a bit of very short journey from school to college. I did a lot of internships during my college years, almost in like 10 to 15 places. I worked a lot, right? And after that, I moved to Canada and I was also studying there. I worked with children diagnosed with autism and ADHD over there. And my experience revolves around in counseling in autism, ADHD, child therapy. All of these are my basic practices. And I really love everything about psychology and I want to grow like every single day as a psychologist. So this is a little bit about me, and in this channel, you will learn a lot about psychology from me. I will try to bring in people, and you can also follow my podcast channel that is Saivatra Show. I will put down the link of Saivatra Show and Saivatra, my organization, in the description box, and you can definitely see that. So, I will now talk more about my journey as an Amitian and what Amity does to you, what kind of subjects you really get to learn in Amity. So, as far as I remember, psychology has like in Amity, there are a lot of options for psychology. You can go for neuropsychology, maybe clinical psychology. Then there is rehabilitation psychology. So Amity gives you a lot of options. Applied psychology is also one of the branch over there. So you can study as much as you want to in Amity. There are so many options, but I opted for a bachelor's plus master's in clinical psychology. And I would say, like, going for a clinical psychology option is more better than going for applied. Why? Because there were some of my friends who were doing applied psychology and they did not get to learn about disorders, human behavior more in depth, that as much as we were reading and learning about. So clinical psychology helps you to gain more expertise in the area of clinical disorders that are there in the DSM-5 and ICD-10. So you really get to understand about what clinical psychology is, what kind of disorders are there, and if you want to study in hospital settings, right, or you want to work in hospital settings, clinics. So I believe clinical psychology is for you. One benefit I felt, doing clinical psychology was that I got to learn about so many disorders that I won't be able to learn in applied psychology. So clinical psychology is always a better option, I feel, for people who are interested in learning more about clinical psychology and disorders. And applied is mostly for somebody who does not want to get so much into clinical terms. They do not want to work in hospital settings or maybe clinics. Then you can go for applied psychology. But clinical psychology is a lot in demand. It takes almost 7 to 8 years, maybe more than that, to become a clinical psychologist in India. But however, the process of becoming clinical psychologist across the world is almost same, and it takes around same time. But one major drawback, being a psychologist in India, that when you graduate after your masters, the salary is not that great. You have to gain a lot of experience, expertise, supervision. You need to take a lot of supervision in order to work as a clinical psychologist, and you really need to get the license from RCI. So that is something, that is a challenging part. But I believe if you work hard in any field, you can definitely make money and earn a lot. You just have to have the passion for doing that. So this is something about Amity. And in Amity, in 4.5 years, I finished my bachelor's and master's. And I saved my 5 months, so I found a job. I was working as a research executive in a startup after that. And there was a time of COVID wherein I, learned a lot of things. I learned about dream analysis, hypnotherapy, a lot of things. I attended so many workshops in order to upgrade myself as a psychologist, and I did writing analysis, psychometrics course. So if this is something short and brief about me, but yes, clinical psychology is an amazing field. Amity is a great university for psychology, and if anybody wishes to learn more about psychology and they are really dedicated for that, I think Amity is a great option. So being an Amity, and I'm telling you that because you get to learn so much. Because in 4.5 years I almost learned so much about psychology, because and I also saved my 5 to 6 months, like one semester. So yeah, it's a beautiful exposure. I got to learn about neuropsychology, clinical psychology, research. It was like a composition of all the fields of psychology. And it's a beautiful course for 4.5 years, and I really recommend Amity, to anybody who wishes to go there. Just one thing people do not like, people want to spend their college time just roaming around having fun with friends. That is necessary, but I would suggest choose a college which helps you build your character and personality, and you can definitely along with that get more education and learn a lot of different things in practical terms, not in just theoretical aspect. So this is why I recommend Amity. Attendance is an issue, but if you really wish to learn and grow, I believe Amity is the best option. Thank you.